The YIHUA 982-3 Precision Soldering Station Kit is designed for high-precision electronic repair and rework jobs on circuit boards with extremely small components. It comes equipped with a C245-compatible soldering iron, allowing you to solder both micro-sized and standard-sized components with ease. The soldering iron's temperature is adjustable from 194 to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, and the new LCD-colored display provides greater contrast for easy monitoring of settings. The sleep mode activates when the soldering iron is placed inside the holder, which helps extend the tip's lifespan, and the automatic shutdown feature cuts power when the unit is left unattended. Additional features include helping hands, a brass wool tip cleaner, a cleaning sponge with a temperature-resistant surround, a tip change storage groove, and a solder wire dispenser. YIHUA offers a 12-month U.S.-exclusive manufacturer technical coverage and 24/7 professional assistance on Amazon for this model.